Kind of a historic day for Kewanna. We started this process with Chris. We've had a long-time relationship with Commonwealth, and that's been a beautiful relationship. We couldn't ask for anything better.
We've been working on this project for the last 2.5 years, and then we're at the final point here to do the groundbreaking.
This plant represents a significant step forward for Kewanna. I believe this plant will give our community clean and safe water, help us serve the community, and make life better for all of our residents.
There's so many people in the background, the town council members, Baker Tilly, Petco, county commissioners, and Fulton County Council. They gave us arbor money, and one of their stipulations was take the money and grow it. Took $40,000, started the process with Commonwealth, and as of today, we've turned it into a $7.6 million grant. You know, it just took a group effort.
We were beginning to work together in Fulton County, beginning to trust one another where before that was not always the story. Fulton County is moving forward and starting to resolve the many economic and quality of life issues that stand before us. We have a working group that is engaged in a local and regional level to bring Lilly Endowment, Initiative funds, and Ready To monies into the county for various projects. There's a lot going on, and Kewanna is playing a very big role in this.
This project shows what we can achieve when we work together, committed to continuing our efforts to improve our town.
Kudos to everyone involved in the project and made something like this that was probably never going to happen possible.
Thank you for your support and being here to celebrate with us today.